Welcome to What Car Should You Buy, where we give real people real advice on buying a car. This week we've got a father and son duo looking for a classic car for an easy first-time restoration project. They're both pretty handy, but they want to make sure that parts will be available and they don't want to get stuck on a hard project. They've got a budget of under $50,000 for the whole project. What car should they buy? Gentlemen, welcome to the world of project cars. This is your first restoration, so you want to start simple and easy, and there is nothing simpler or easier than a Jeep CJ7. Think about it. You want to start simple. You don't want to give up this project halfway through and be stuck with a pile of parts in your garage that you can't drive. Here's my biggest piece of advice. Buy a Jeep from a dry climate. I'm talking New Mexico, Nevada, California, not a state with salt and snow. You're going to spend a few extra bucks bringing it home, but it will be worth it to not have to deal with 50 years of rusted floor panels. Trust me, I know. And the great thing about a Jeep is all of the parts are available, whether it's engine, transmission, all the trim pieces. You can get anything, and you can take this project any direction you want. You can restore it back to factory spec, you can mod it, you can turn it into a gnarly off-roader. The choices are yours. My advice, start simple. Make it a basic restoration, end up with a nice looking, nice driving Jeep, and then your next project can be that basket case that you have to rebuild from scratch. For more advice on project cars, check out Jalopnik.com.